this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I have another Misfits Market haul. And they actually sent me 2 boxes. I have no idea why. The FedEx thing said 1 box, but when I got the delivery today, it was 2 boxes. So, and both of them feel heavy, so I don't know why I got 2. Maybe some of you guys signed up and I had extra money, so I got a free box. I don't know. So anyway, but if that is the case, then thank you. So if you haven't been here before, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe by clicking that subscribe button below and the notification bell beside that so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. And yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, let's open the first box, see what's in it. I covered up all my confidential information. Y'all crazy out here, but anyway, packed as usual. Oh, this has melted. Well, it's melted because it's been sitting outside as I wasn't home today. So when I got home, there it was. What's in here? Oh, I got a tomato. That's good because I didn't buy any. I only have 1 regular tomato. So I have 2 tomatoes, which they're pretty good. They're nice and firm. Got some more kale. A big bunch this time. The last one was small, but this is a very big old bunch of kale. I need to let my camera up just a little bit more, but we're gonna roll with it. Oh, some fell off. Also got another stalk of celery. What are these? Ah, some peppers. I was gonna buy some the other day and they look bad in the grocery store. So I hope these look good because I have some. These are the small, the sweet peppers. Oh, these look good. So they sent you red and orange, and it's about, let's see how many is in here. Right, small amount. 3, 6, 7. 7 of them are in here. So that's good. I wanted those. They sent me some more green beans, and I made, comment below if you guys want to see what I make from some of these things. I won't have a video with everything, but I can make some videos. But I made this stir fry with the green beans. It was so delicious. And it was just made up. Green beans, these look good still too. And it's probably about a pound or pound and a half, 2 pounds of those. What are these? Oh, some more fingerling potatoes. Yeah, see, I love potatoes. Love, 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 love potatoes. And I roast these in the oven with some rosemary and thyme. They tie such a huge knot in here. I wish they'd not do that. So you can reuse these little bags. It will make me do a bunch of editing trying to see. These bags are biodegradable. They're non-GMO certified. And they're compostable. Use, reuse, then compost. Which that is excellent. And they're a little slippery. So these are the fingerling potatoes. I love these. I love potatoes. They're not good for me. White ones anyway. We got 2 more, these are turnips. 2 turnips, and I chopped them up last time and put them in my stir fry with some tofu and some potatoes with the same seasoning, and I couldn't even tell the potatoes from the turnips. They tasted so good. And I used to, when I was young, I didn't like turnips, so I ate them in greens, but anywho, they were good. So we got 3 carrots, and I love carrots. I roast them as well. We got some more. First I was going to say these were potatoes, but they're not. They are, I think these are turnips too, or radishes. turnips. I think these are turnips. They're a root vegetable. I think they're some kind of turnip. So I try these as well because I've never had these before. Got 3 of those. Got 2 lemons. 4 oranges, which that's good because I just bought some tangerines, but I didn't buy any oranges, so I have those, which is excellent. And then I got 3 more of these apples. I don't know what kind of apples. Something fell. Oh, one of my oranges rolled off the table. I don't know what kind of apples these are, but last time I didn't eat them as immediately and they got soft in the inside. I like my apples hard, so I'm going to go ahead and eat these in the next few days because I don't like soft apples. So that's it for the first box. Okay, box 2. Okay, and this must be the first box. I don't look like I got about the same stuff in there. This one has a baked pear and salted caramel. What is this? Oh, baked pears is just a pear dish. So maybe they sent me some pears in this one. And this is melted as well. But like I said, I save those and give them to people and take them on cookouts. So I think they just sent me the same box because it looks like I just got a double box. Because this is going to be oranges. Everything looks the same in there. Yeah, 2 tomatoes. And these tomatoes look good as well. They got a little blemish on them, but nothing bad. So I'll be making me some sandwiches. And this is a very small head of kale compared to the last one. The last one was huge. This one is about like the size that I got last week. But with both of them together, I can actually cook kale. And some more celery. Mike can make some celery juice. Some more of the peppers. These look like more. It's 8 in this one, and it was 7 in the other one. 2 more limes. Some more fingerling potatoes, which that will be a good amount. Some more of these radishes. Turnips, radishes. I don't know what they are. I think they're radishes. They're awfully small. They may be really small beets. I don't know without cutting them. They kind of look like beets. Comment below and let me know if y'all know what these are. I think they're beets. I know what these are. These are turnips. But I don't know what the other ones are. Some more green beans. So it's the exact same thing. So they just gave me 2 boxes for some reason. I don't know if they had a glitch in their system. Why I got 2 boxes instead of 1. Maybe they're not going to deliver in 2 weeks because of all the stuff that's going on. So they just went ahead and sent me 2 now. I don't know. Let's see what these green beans look like. No, these green beans look good. So I'm going to have a lot of vegetables to cook while I'm stranded in the house. 3 more apples, so now I got 6 apples. That one's bruised. That one's bruised, but can't help bruising. It got bruised in the box. You just never know. But I didn't have any problem out of the vegetables. You know, it's always organic vegetables don't hold up as long as the non-organic cause they don't have all that pesticides on it. Oh, 1 bad orange. So 1 bad orange and 1 apple with a bruise. But I would still like cut this in half and eat half of it for right now for a snack today and just throw the other half away. You can put it in your garbage disposal. Orange citrus, you can put it in your garbage disposal to keep it from smelling, so you can just chop it the other half and put it down there. That's a good trick if you guys don't already know that. You use lemons and you can use orange. But yeah. So that's it, guys. Everything I got in my 2 Misfit boxes. Okay, guys, that is it of everything that I got in my 2 Misfit boxes. For some reason, I got 2 instead of 1 because everything was identical in both boxes, except for I didn't have the paperwork in one. So, don't know, but I'm happy to get 2. Anyway. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll leave a link below for a discount code in case you guys want to try it out as well. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.